Welcome to Brake Shack. This is our miniature infrared light. So basically it's got a small battery which comes with it. If you need more of those, obviously it tells you the make and model on it. So once you receive it, you can purchase more, as well as the listing for this product on our website also says the model in there. I just can't remember off the top of my head. So you've got a power switch to turn it on and off, and also if you want to attach this to a camera, you can peel this off, and it's got sticky back double-sided velcro, so you can keep the velcro on your camera, and this just sticks on the side. It's pretty much weightless, it doesn't weigh much, so it's really handy, just as an extra light for your infrared or full spectrum camera, also known as a night vision camera, because this will not work with any standard camera, because the human eyes and the standard camera can't see infrared light. That's how night vision works, because humans can't see light, but only night vision cameras can. You put the light on, it's obviously a lot brighter than that. It's more than 10 times brighter. It lights up the whole room, but it looks, I can shine that in my eyes and it just looks like two red dots. Kind of looks brighter on camera than it does to my eyes, but yeah, it is really bright when using a night vision camera. I'll leave a link to this in the video description, and thanks for watching.